Okay, out at Shell Beach, you can see that we've got quite a bit of white capping out here. The winds are starting to pick up, but they're really going to roar tomorrow. A front's going to come in the overnight and early morning hours. Could give us a few sprinkles inland, but it's really going to be the difference in pressure after that front leaves that's going to drive this big time warm up we've been talking about. I mean, I should say ramp up in terms of wind. So Santa Barbara 81, 66 Santa Maria, 65 San Luis, 79 Paso Robles, 67 in Lompoc. So it's already shaking the camera, the wind that we have, which is 15 to 20 miles per hour. And again, we anticipate a lot more of that. Be on KSBY hashtag. Thank you, everybody. You posted pictures over the course of the weekend earlier today. Michael Mattis here. Some of the flowers. Flowers still getting a lot of attention on social media. Chris Allen, beautiful view of an oak tree there. Love that a lot. Again, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, post your pictures there. Use the hashtag. And Rick Evans up in North County today. That is a lovely shot. Very artistic. Rick's very talented. And we appreciate his contributions. Can't wait to see yours. Microclimate model just tracking this front moving into the area. Again, overnight hours, early morning. These are up valley showers essentially in most of the San Joaquin here, but could be along the Temblor Range as well. I don't think it's going to affect most of the communities here on the Central Coast. Again, a sprinkle wouldn't surprise me. Through 10 a.m., again, Grapevine going to see a little bit of rainfall due to upslope. Basically, that's when the winds drive air up into the hills, and then you get some condensation that happens at higher elevations. That's why it's not going to be a big rainmaker for us locally. But after that, you can see the model is not showing much in the way of wind because high pressure is going to scour out any marine influence. These lines here are called isobars, or lines of equal pressure. And when they are close to each other, that indicates that we have a lot of pressure change happening over a very small space. That space is here, and that's why we have a high wind warning and wind advisories in place. Now, most of the advisories kick into place tomorrow, but already tonight we have an advisory for the mountains of Santa Barbara County passes and canyons, which goes up to a warning tomorrow. So tonight we can see gusts to 50. Tomorrow we can see gusts to 65, but you can see the sustained winds are going to be there. So again, it's already happening. Take a look at the hour by hour. This really telling here for Paso Robles. Winds 15 to 20 early in the day because the front's moving through. But this is North County, 25 to 30 mile per hour sustained with higher gusts. Santa Maria, it's 25 to 35 with gusts of 40 or more. So you get the idea. Make sure you get that forecast from us here at KSBY and also use that KSBY app. It'll have all that wind information for you tomorrow. It is going to be windy, and most of this week will be. Tomorrow the peak, but it's going to be windy all the way through Friday as well. Temperatures will still do fairly well, up into the 60s to about 70 degrees. But again, we're making a big time shift here in the forecast because of these winds. Let's take a look at the 5-day. There you can see temperatures in the 70s across the board. But again, we're going to see some of these temperatures early and then temperatures fading in the afternoon behind those strong winds. Moving into the upcoming weekend, pretty mild. Karina, back to you.